Deno version 1.0 launched just 24 hours ago, and the JavaScript community is excited. It is a new, more secure JavaScript runtime that supports TypeScript out of the box and does away with centralized package managers like NPM. According to its creator, Ryan Dahl, who also created Node.js, it is a
prototype of how things might be differently, or how Node might be differently if you designed it today. You might want to check out Deno. Is a secure TypeScript runtime on V8.
What we're going to do today is install Deno and get a simple web server up and running. Then we'll containerize it with Docker and deploy it to Google Cloud Run, Google's fully managed compute platform for deploying and scaling containerized applications quickly and securely. Think Cloud Functions meets Docker. Hit up deno.land and copy the curl command to install Deno on your computer. Then create a folder for your Deno app and open it up in your code editor of choice. Remember, Deno lets us write TypeScript as a first-class language, so we'll create a TypeScript file, index.ts, and just copy the sample server code into it. Notice that the serve import comes from a URL rather than a Node modules folder. That's because we can import JavaScript or TypeScript files from anywhere on the web. When we run the code, Deno will download the dependency and cache it for later use. Let's run the app. And we can do that with the command deno run allow_net index.ts. The allow_net flag is part of the secure Deno environment, where we explicitly give Deno permission to access the web to get the serve import. Now our app is running on localhost port 8000, and we see Hello World. Let's Dockerize our app next. Download and install Docker from docker.com, and make sure you have it running on your computer. Going back to the code, we'll create a Docker file. In the Docker file, we'll set up our base image to be Ubuntu, and then update apt-get. We need apt-get to install curl and unzip. Both are used to install Deno in our Docker container. We'll curl the same install script from before, and link the installed binary to our container's bin. Following some more standard Docker workflow, we'll create a workspace for our code and move the code into it. Then we'll expose port 8000 and execute the command deno run allow_net index.ts. Let's build the Docker image and run it on port 8000. Checking Docker, we can see that our app is running, and clicking into it gives us all of the logs. Visiting localhost port 8000 shows us the same app as before, but now in a Docker container. With our image in place, we can deploy it to Google Cloud Run. Visit cloud.google.com/SDK and download the gcloud tool for your computer. Also, be sure to create a GCP project where we can deploy the Deno Docker container. We just have a few changes to our app. First, instead of hard-coding a port for our app, let's get it from our environment with deno.env.getPort. In our Docker file, we will expose the port environment variable and add to our command a flag that allows our Deno app to access environment variables. Cloud Run defaults to port 8080. So it's easier to just use the port environment variable rather than hard-coding it. To build the image for GCP, we'll run gcloud builds submit --tag gcr.io / and then your GCP project ID twice and split by /. To run it, we'll run gcloud beta run deploy your GCP project ID -- image gcr.io / project ID -- platform equals managed. gcloud will deploy the container to the cloud and give you the URL for your Deno app. And there you have it. You're running Deno in the cloud using Cloud Run. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. You can find me anywhere on the web, like Twitter, Dev2, and GitHub by my name, Michael Slotty, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.